Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we are tackling a very common error you might see when moving your code to PHP 7.4, trying to access array offset on value of type null. It sounds complicated, but it is actually quite simple to understand and fix. In this video, we'll look at what this error means, why it started appearing more often in PHP 7.4, and a couple of great ways to solve it for good. So, what is this error? Imagine you have a box, which is like an array, and you want to get an item from it. But what if the box itself doesn't exist? The box is null. If you try to grab an item from a non-existent box, you will get an error. That is exactly what PHP is telling you. You are trying to get a value from an array, but the variable you think is an array is actually null. Before PHP 7.4, this might have only shown a small notice, and your script would keep running, often leading to hidden bugs. PHP 7.4 is stricter to help us write better, more reliable code, which is why this warning is now more prominent. For example, code like $ID equals $_session, user, ID, will fail if the user session has not been created yet, making $_session, user, null. Now, let's fix it. The first and most traditional method is using the isset function. Before you try to access the array key, you simply check if it exists first. So, instead of directly accessing the value, you would write if isset $_session, user, $ID equals $_session, user, ID. This works perfectly and is compatible with all PHP versions. However, there is a much cleaner, more modern way available since PHP 7.0 called the null coalescing operator, which is written as two question marks. This operator is a lifesaver. It checks the value on its left, and if that value is null or does not exist, it uses the value on its right as a default. Our broken code can be fixed in a single, beautiful line, $ID equals $_session, user, ID, null. You can even chain it. For instance, $username equals $_post, username, $_get, username, guest. This code tries to get the username from post data. If it's not there, it tries get data. If that is also missing, it defaults to guest. This operator is the preferred way to handle potentially null values in modern PHP. To recap, the error means you're treating a null value like an array. Always verify your variable exists before using it with isset, or, for cleaner code, embrace the powerful null coalescing operator. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you solve this frustrating error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more web development tips, and ring that notification bell so you are the first to know when a new video drops. Your support is hugely appreciated and allows me to keep making these tutorials. See you in the next one.